Welcome to TechTutorials YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete your IFTTT account. So all you have to do is to go to your account. You have to log in first. So I'm already logged in. Go to your account, scroll down, and then delete my account. Usually, for any account you want to delete on any website, it's normally you log in, click on your profile, go to settings, scroll down, you'll see the delete and then send email verification. Sometimes they might ask you for email verification, sometimes on some websites they might not. Now I can see there's a new email. I'm just gonna verify deletion, and the account is gonna be deleting. Are you sure you want to delete IFTTT account? Okay, I'm gonna be deleting it. Your account has been deleted. I hope this video helps. Please let me know in the comment. Also, I make these videos to save your time, and I appreciate you. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.